So let's start talking about what anxiety looks like for many women over 50. It can stem from various sources like health concerns, family changes, retirement, or even just the fear of what's next. Di ba, syempre tumatanda ka na, di ba?
Mhm.
So it's important to remember that anxiety is a natural response to these changes and doesn't mean we're weak or
Or in-
inadequate.
One of the first step in overcoming anxiety is to embrace change. Diba?
Right.
Nothing is constant except change. So
Exactly.
many of us don't want to change. But
Mm-mm.
life after 50 is full of transitions, and each change is an opportunity for growth.